The mystery of death is a profound and complex topic that has fascinated humans for centuries. Here are some key aspects that contribute to this mystery. What does it mean to die? Dying is a profound and complex process that marks the end of life. Death is defined as the irreversible cessation of all biological functions that sustain a living organism. This includes the stopping of the heart, breathing, and brain activity. When a person dies, their body undergoes various physiological changes, such as the cooling of the body and the relaxation of muscles. Philosophically, dying raises questions about the nature of existence, identity, and consciousness. Is there an afterlife or a continuation of consciousness? Whether there is an afterlife or a continuation of consciousness is one of the most profound and debated topics in philosophy, religion, and science. Many philosophical traditions explore the nature of consciousness and existence. Some argue that consciousness may persist in some form after physical death, while others believe it ceases entirely. Various religions offer different interpretations. Christianity often speaks of an afterlife in heaven or hell. Buddhism suggests a cycle of rebirth, where consciousness continues until enlightenment is achieved. Hinduism also embraces reincarnation, with the soul undergoing cycles of birth and death. Scientific inquiry into consciousness is ongoing. Some studies on near-death experiences, NDEs, suggest that individuals may have experiences that feel like a continuation of consciousness, even when clinically dead for a short time. However, the scientific community generally maintains that there is no empirical evidence for consciousness persisting after death. Many people report profound experiences related to death and dying, which can shape their beliefs about an afterlife or the continuation of consciousness. How do we define identity in the context of death? Philosophers often debate what constitutes identity. Some argue that identity is tied to consciousness and memory, suggesting that if these cease to exist at death, so does personal identity. Others propose that identity can persist through the impact one leaves behind, such as memories in others or contributions to society. Psychological aspects. The concept of ego death refers to a complete loss of subjective self-identity, often discussed in psychological and spiritual contexts. This can occur during profound experiences such as near-death experiences or intense meditation. Cultural interpretations. Different cultures have unique views on identity and death. For instance, some believe in the continuation of the soul or spirit, suggesting that identity transcends physical existence. Personal identity theory. This theory examines how we define ourselves over time, considering factors like memory, personality, and physical continuity. Death challenges these notions, prompting questions about what remains of our identity after we die. Legacy and memory. Many believe that identity can live on through the memories and stories shared by loved ones, creating a lasting impact even after physical death.